Lollipop and Godiva playing in the yard. And I guess Godiva's killing a stick. And Lollipop! What you doing, kiddo? Oh, hey, there you are. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. There's my girls. There's my girls. Okay, getting attacked by Shih Tzus. Come on, guys. Godiva. Good girl. Yes, you are. A Lollipop, too. Good girl. Okay, that's close. Well, we'll call that good. Okay, dog fighting's not your trick. You're supposed to walk the plank up here, girls. Come on. Okay. They'd rather dog fight.